Happy New Year, everybody!
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hart. I'm a mindset and weight loss coach, and I'm doing a new series. It's all about how you can be the best version of yourself, just working on little bits here and there, because as my husband always says, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So guess what? In order to transform ourselves into the healthiest and best version of ourselves, we have to tackle each little individual area one at a time, not make it stressful, not give anxiety, just work on something a little bit every single day. So I thought, wouldn't it be fun to just make a little series working on all those little things with you guys and motivate and inspire you to hopefully do it with me. So for the month of January, I'm gonna be doing this series, and today's video is all about keto food. I'm gonna be doing some amazing recipe videos for you guys today to spark some joy into your keto lifestyle. Remember guys, even if you are, pedal to the metal, New Year's Day, going clean keto again, it doesn't have to be boring, and it can totally be delicious, tasty meals that you don't really have to feel like you're depriving yourself. Because if you've been following me for a little bit, you know that I say, do not start a diet if you're taking away all of your favorite things, because it's not gonna work. So what does that mean then? If you wanna make tasty meals that you're gonna be looking forward to, you need to have ingredients on hand that you are going to be able to use, that are in your cabinet and pantry, that you can just grab and know your meal is gonna be amazing for your fat loss journey. If you're doing keto, you want optimal fat loss. So the problem with a lot of keto foods too is that it kind of is bland. Like, how many times have you heard like keto diet, grass-fed beef and butter, or chicken and broccoli? Like, to me, that does not spark joy at all. I need some flavor, I need some spices, I need something that's going to make me look forward to my next meal. Otherwise, I'm not sticking to my plan. So there's so many options when it comes to satisfying your sweet tooth when it comes to the keto lifestyle. But what about savory? What about that? We don't want that chicken and broccoli. We want something to spice it up. And here we go. Introducing Suki's Spice Mix. This is the Keto Cajun Spice Rub that I have been raving about for over a year now. I have been using this for so long. I absolutely love it. Anybody that asks me, I tell them they need this in their life if they're doing a low carb and keto diet, and even if they're not, because it's that amazing. This has actually been featured in a lot of my videos, but I am proud to say that today's video is actually gonna be sponsored by Suki's Spice Mix, specifically the Keto Cajun Spice Rub. This combines Cajun flavors with all of the benefits of the keto diet. It's made from the cleanest of ingredients. There is no sugar, no carbs, no artificial preservatives, and I love to say the fact that it is made right here in the USA. And I also love supporting small businesses. This is a family-based small business located in Lake Forest, Illinois. So now let's get on into the food, because I honestly think all of the little things that go on that I'm going to be talking about in January on all my videos, there's so many little things, but I think food is a big one, a huge one. If you aren't excited for your next meal, you're gonna have problems. So why not get some yummy food in your belly, be satisfied, and then you can go on and tackle everything else that you need to in your day. So today we're gonna be making two of my favorite recipes, my chicken Alfredo broccoli bowls with homemade Alfredo sauce this time. You could obviously just use jarred, but I'm gonna be showing you how I make my quick and easy Alfredo sauce. And then we're gonna take the leftover chicken that I'm gonna make, and we're gonna be making a Caesar salad. I love chicken Caesar salads, and with this spice rub, oh, chef kiss. It's literally amazing. So follow me along, let's make these recipes, and I'll show you just how easy it can be and how good and yummy a clean keto diet can be. Okay, so to start, I'm going to prep my chicken. It takes literally 2 seconds. These two recipes are on my rotation weekly because I love them so much. So for the chicken, I'm just gonna use the Keto Cajun Spice Rub and just do a generous sprinkling on each side. These were 2 chicken breasts that I actually halved so that they're a little bit thinner. And you can see I'm just putting a little bit of spice rub on one side, flipping them over, and then doing the second side. This chicken like this is good on its own. We're gonna do more to it, but this is great meal prep chicken. And then I just like to saute it in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. Mine take about 4 minutes on each side, but like I said, you could use this chicken for so many different things. So now let's make the chicken and broccoli Alfredo bowls. First things first, let's make our own homemade Alfredo sauce. It cannot be easier, and I want you to trust me that this is going to be the best Alfredo sauce you've ever had in your life. Like, picture the best you've ever had at a restaurant, this is gonna be better. Just using a handful of ingredients. The full recipe is gonna be linked in the description box, so just sit back and watch. We're gonna melt some butter. After the butter's all melted, put that chopped garlic right in and allow it to come up to a bubble. Then I'm gonna add in a little bit of oregano and then the heavy cream and just let that come up to a rolling boil just like this. And then stir in the Parmesan cheese. This all happens in minutes, it's so easy. And then in the meantime, while that is bubbling away, I'm going to just chop up some broccoli and get that sauteing in the pan next to the Alfredo sauce. Could not be easier, guys. A little bit of salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil, and you've got yourself cooked broccoli in about 10 minutes time. That looks delicious. So the key ingredient to my Alfredo is you have to add in the juice of half a lemon. You have to. And a little bit of black pepper. How amazing does this look? Oh my gosh, and those chunks are the garlic, the cooked garlic. Next, I'm gonna be using some hearts of palm noodles. You buy this from Natural Heaven, that's where I get mine. I'll link them down below. You just pop them in the microwave to warm up, and they're ready to go. One ingredient, perfect for clean keto. So I like to just pile on the hearts of palm noodles, add in some of my cooked broccoli, top it with some of the spice rubbed chicken, so delicious. And then top it with this glorious homemade Alfredo sauce. This will be the best you've ever had. How amazing does that look? So moving on, we're going to take the leftover chicken and actually make a really delicious chicken Caesar salad. Homemade dressing is a must, again, only because you can make it so simply. So I just like to pile everything into a food processor. Again, the exact amounts will be down in the description box. This recipe for Caesar salad has been on my blog for so many years, and it's my go-to every single time I want to make Caesar dressing. So the food processor makes it super easy. You just pile everything in there. We've got mayonnaise, we have Parmesan cheese finely grated, lemon juice, fish sauce, some Dijon mustard, black pepper, garlic, all the good stuff to make a wonderful, wonderful dressing. And then I just like to thin it out with a little bit of heavy cream, and there you go. You could obviously thin it out more if you wanted to the consistency that you desire, but it is perfection. And then I always like to season it at this point. This time, it was actually perfect. So all I'm gonna do now is assemble a really quick and easy salad, but it's so satisfying for like an easy lunch prep. Romaine, Parmesan cheese crisp instead of croutons, and my homemade dressing with that spice rubbed chicken sliced thin, nice and cold. Oh my word, you guys are going to absolutely love this salad. Oh, I gotta get a Parmesan crisp on there. Got it. Mmm. So, the combination of the spice rub with that creamy homemade dressing, easy as can be, I might add. It's so good. Crunchy lettuce, crunchy parm crisp. Oh my gosh. This is a match made in heaven, literally. These flavors just go so well together. You have to make this one. How good do those recipes look? Let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. Do you like the cold salad with the chicken, or would you rather have the warm broccoli Alfredo bowls? Let me know. Which side are you on, hot or cold? Don't forget to click down below to get your Cajun Keto Spice Rub. You will not be sorry, guys. Just click it. Click down below in the description box. You're going to be loving your meals with this spice mixture added to it. And then also down in the description box is always my coaching opportunities. I am offering a group coaching program that starts January 3rd. If you are interested in that, all the info is down below. I also am doing one-on-one coaching for January 2022. Can't believe it's here already, guys. I hope you had an awesome New Year's, and just think positively. This year is going to be amazing because we can make it amazing. So have an awesome day, and I'll see you really soon with my next video. Bye, everybody.